Welcome to Kishore's Neat Parsala. In this video lecture, we will see the concept of Pascal's law, hydrostatic paradox and hydraulic lift. So what is Pascal's law? Pascal's law states that, suppose let us assume a beaker in which there is water. Pressure change at a particular point is transmitted all over the container. So to all the points of the fluid, the pressure change at particular point is equally transmitted. This is the statement of Pascal's law. Now let us see the concept of hydrostatic paradox. Let us assume this setup. Suppose, see here that this base area A1, this base area A2 and this base area A3 all are equal. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A3, that is equal to A, and same liquid is filled. Then they make sure that the same liquid is filled up to same height. Then pressure at a line at a same line at same height, that is this point P1 in first container, P2 in second container, P3 in third container, at the same level all the pressure are equal. So if same base area and same liquid are there and it is filled up to same height in all the containers, then the pressure is equal. What we are inferencing that hydrostatic pressure, it is independent of amount of liquid and shape. See here that in the first container it is a small container, second container is a large container, so it is independent of amount of liquid, and the shape is also it is independent. So hydrostatic pressure is independent of amount of liquid and shape. Now let us see the concept of hydraulic lift. This is the setup of hydraulic lift, and suppose in the suppose here there is a first piston of P1 of area A1. Here we are applying a pressure F1. Due to this applied pressure F1, it is moving downward by a small distance L1. Now Pascal's law comes into effect. The pressure change in a particular point is transmitted all over the fluid, and the force F1 applied is converted to force F2. This force F2 is acting on a piston of area A2. Due to this upward force, the piston second moves by a moves above by a distance L2. So due to the applied force L1, the piston area A1 is moving downward by a distance L1. The force F2 comes due to Pascal's law. It is upward and the piston moves by a distance L2, whose area of the piston is A2. So here we see that force F1 is smaller than F2, but Pascal's law is coming into effect. So small force, see here that small force is enough to push a very large piston. So F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. This is the formula you must remember, where F2 is equal to F1 into A2 divided by A1, where A2 by A1 is known as the mechanical advantage of the lift. The distance moved by the first piston into area of first piston is equal to distance moved by the second piston into area of second piston. So in hydraulic lift concept, you must remember two formula. One is F1 divided by A1 is equal to F2 divided by A2, and the second formula is distance moved by the first piston into area of first piston is equal to distance moved by the second piston into area of second piston. Remember that this hydraulic lift concept is used in mechanical sheds, where it is used to lift vehicles such as cars. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's Neat Parsala. Thank you.